Hi, Willows are blooming right now in my location. That's a month early, on the 27th February. I've been feeding sucrose syrup and some pollen paddies to my colonies. I prepared 2 of them to show you. And I won't be talking much more during this video, but I hope you'll enjoy. I shift the feeders here to the north side and move all of the frames of the colony to the south side, that they'll be a little bit warmer. Some eggs and larvae on this frame. And there's a patch of sealed brood here, about 4 inches in diameter. They've got some food on the other side. There was one frame that was empty, so I put it against the feeder. That's sucrose syrup 1:1 and about 1.1 gallon. They'll get a pound of pollen paddy. I score it before I add that to the top of the frames. If you want to see my recipe, you can check my channel. There's a video about that. 58 degrees Fahrenheit today. That's about 14 to 15 degrees Celsius. And the weather's gonna be like that for the next 14 days. That's why I decided to put some sucrose syrup to the colonies, as if the temperature would be lower, they would not take it from the inside hive feeders. I do the same thing here, move the feeder to the north side and the colony to the south. They got plenty of food. There's a small patch, about 1.5 inch of sealed brood, some eggs and larvae, so I don't disturb them much more, just shift them to the south as I already said. Beautiful frame of sealed honey here. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you want to know how I lit my bee smoker in 3 minutes, you can visit my channel on Tuesday.